this is real tile on the ground. Oh, and then there's a shower back here. And closet. And then attic access. Shelving that could be painted white. Very tall ceilings. Wow. And very long bedrooms. Nice windows. And the island in the kitchen. It's a very popular home, and you have to come through in 15-minute increments, but you have a nice walkway. Then I'll walk around the exterior of the home. There are quite a few trees around the house that might have to be taken care of, but this is a really good price and a really good home. And I would make an offer on it, actually. It does back up to a street, but it's really far away. So, Nicole, I'm all finished. I'm just gonna, yeah, you're on camera a little bit because I'm gonna send it to someone, but I left I didn't lock it up. I just put the key in the door. Yeah. And it is on a hill a little bit, so it's not a completely flat backyard. And then you do have this tall tree, but I do know someone who can take that out. But we've had a lot of rain and it's not too saturated back here. Probably that would need to be reinforced right there. But good home, and the deck needs to be repainted probably.